What if you could offer business credit building, business funding, commercial real estate financing, and a complete client management platform under your own brand? What if your clients never knew another company was powering it behind the scenes? This is a true white label. Your company manages everything through your branded admin portal. Your clients access their accounts through your branded client portal, your logo, your colors, your domain, your pricing. Your clients never see Four Corner Holdings. They see your company. Most referral programs send your clients somewhere else. We don't. You charge your own fees. You collect payments directly into your own merchant account. You create your own packages. You control your own pricing. And when you're ready to activate a file, you simply pay a small activation fee. One of the most powerful features of the platform is our capital access engine. This isn't simply a list of lenders or credit cards. The system helps qualified borrowers strategically access capital through structured funding plays. Depending on the borrower's profile, the system can recommend strategies such as the Foundation 100 play, Executive 250 play, Elite 500 play, Zero Cost Capital play, Investors Liquidity play, and many others. The platform evaluates borrower profiles, recommends funding strategies, tracks progress, and guides execution every step of the way. The platform also includes a comprehensive business credit builder designed to help clients establish stronger commercial credit profiles while tracking their progress through a guided system built around major commercial credit reporting providers and business credit development workflows. Offer virtually every major business funding solutions directly through your platform. Business credit, lines of credit, equipment financing, SBA financing, commercial real estate financing, investor financing, construction financing, and many more. The platform goes far beyond funding. Manage employees, track commissions, schedule appointments, generate invoices, collect payments, store documents, manage marketing content, everything needed to help operate and scale your business from a single platform. Our partners gain access to some of the highest commission opportunities available in the industry, create multiple revenue streams, increase client retention, increase client lifetime value, and build a more scalable business. If you're ready to scale your business, own your brand, increase revenue, and offer services that normally require multiple platforms, schedule a personalized demo today. Visit www.fourcornerfunding.com partner program.